My life has been changed completely by Dr. Mast surgery. I never thought I could ever live like this again. I never thought I could be normal. I am a farmer. I farm in the Central Valley. My husband has been taking care of me for the last probably 4.5 years. Last 2.5 years, I literally haven't been able to walk. I don't know what to do. I can't go to the ranch, and I'm just in pain. I can't sleep at all. I can't tie my shoes. I can't bend at all. I went to a lot of acupuncture, massage. I did TENS unit. I did traction machines, things like that. So then I decided this was my life. I have pain and I have to just, stay in bed, and that was it. I was recommended by a patient that did surgery that had a hip replacement with Dr. Mast, and he's my lawyer. And he said, yeah, I'm really great. That Dr. Mast is unbelievable. I wrote his name down and I said, I'm going to go. I'm going to go and I'm going to get a consultation. So then I go to Dr. Mast for my consultation. And truthfully, I was crying. And I said, I didn't think there was any hope. And he said, you have to have both hips done, but I want them both done at the same time. It really amazed people when I said I did both at one time. He understood. He had tears in his eyes when I was crying. And he said, you shouldn't, you're too young to have this pain and to live like this. And you need to be able to function and to have a life like you used to have. Initially, I was very afraid, but it was very well explained. Everything regarding any kind of education about the surgery was very, very thorough. Then I went to the testimonials, which helped me the most because I still thought, did anyone other than me have a double hip replacement at one time? I saw people that were normal people that all looked, in all different kinds of modes of life. They weren't only athletes. That was very positive. But the pre-op thing was excellent. I felt the team was phenomenal, and all with the common goal of helping that patient. I was walking to the restroom and back, and that was the first day. I mean, that just blew me away. I couldn't believe, how fast the physical therapist comes in and walks you. And I now can do everything. I can walk. I can walk my dogs. I drive to the farm, and I am able now to get on the floor with the children. Now they're 3 years old, 1 year old. I can bend, I can carry, I can stroller them. And now, the sky is the limit. You do not need to waste your life. You do not need to waste it with your pain. You don't have to have pain. You don't have to not sleep. The whole pain was gone. I cannot tell you how thankful, grateful I am